Comment down below. Give me a huge thumbs up. Give me 2,000 likes to the Legal Garage.
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Whenever you are watching this video, welcome to the illegal garage. So I'm gonna do a little project that I wasn't planning on, but last week I went to the London Cobra show, and one of the vendors was selling this engine start button, and I really like it. It goes really well with all the billet I'm doing on my car. So I'm gonna do another switch panel to replace that one. I like this one. I like the start button on this one. It's a 4GT, but the switches I'm not too crazy about. So I'm gonna do a replacement. That's the beauty of my modular dash, that I can just remove those panels to get access to the behind the dash, and I can just replace anything. I just gotta get the replacement panels. So if I wanna change the configuration, I can do it really easy. So here's the replacement panel. I'm gonna do with this billet button, billet spacers or switch guards, and I found these buttons coming from Australia, from Billet automotive buttons, that I'm gonna replace the toggle switches with this that already had the labels on it, which I don't have on those, which is, if somebody else drive my car, they're not gonna know what the hell is going on. So with this, we know how, everybody knows what the switches are for. These are the 28mm. They're a little bigger than I thought they were gonna be, but they should fit okay. So I'm gonna start by doing a hole for the button and for the spacers for the switch guards. We'll see how it turns out. By the way, I will put links and descriptions for all the stuff I'm using, in case you guys wanna get anything that I'm using on this project. By the way, say hi to Shelby. Yeah, that's her name. The other illegal garage shop dog. And Clement is working today. Well, after a lot of drilling, a lot of aluminum shapes, I think I got the holes that I need done. The switch fits in there. So I'm gonna assemble the panel, see how it looks, and then I already got weather pack connectors on the switch panel on that side, the one I'm using right now. So all I gotta do is wire the right connector to the switch, so I can disconnect the switch panel over there and connect the new one. Even if I could, if I get bored of one, then I could just swap the other one back. I don't know if I will do that, but that's a possibility. So we're gonna assemble the panel, and then we're gonna wire it. We'll be right back. Well, here is the switch panel finally mocked up with the switch guards. Those switches are not in the position there should be. I just use it to test the fit. I'll put the right ones on the right hole when I'm done. I still gotta brush. I gotta brush the the aluminum plate and protected with shark hide, which is what's protecting the whole dash over there. So this is just to mock it up, see if everything fits. The nuts in the back are larger, so I knew this already from the beginning. I knew I was gonna have to do something for the nuts. So all I did with the grinding wheel was to grind those peaks on the nut. Those right there. I just grinded almost all the way to make it round, and they fit pretty good. Once the switches are there, they're not gonna move, so it's no big deal that those peaks on the brass nut are not there. Well, I'm gonna take the tape off the plate, I'm gonna brush it, I'm gonna put some shark hide and then wire it and put it in there to see how it looks compared to the old one. We'll be right back. And after a few hours of brushing, coating with shark hide, here's the final product. Still not on the car, and still I haven't wired the pigtails yet, but it's there. I had to round the nuts in the back, make them round so they could fit in the tie space, but it's getting there. So I'm just gonna wire the pigtails and try it up on the car. The only thing, I still love that 4GT button, so I might change that 4GT and put it in there instead of this one, so we'll see. Well guys, it's really hot today, so that's why I got the garage door closed. But it's still really hot. Even the Ryobi fan is just helping a little bit. But I guess this project is done. What do you guys think? You see that improvement over the old one? I still like the 4GT button. I'm probably gonna try to see how it looks in there. I like the action of but this one is also pretty good. I think it's a definitely improvement on the old toggle switches. But like I said, I'm gonna try putting this start button over there. I really like these switches, these buttons. They got really nice action too. I'm gonna put links on the description below of all the buttons, where I got the buttons, where I got the switch cards, where I got the dash. So a lot of people have been interested on this dash, so where I got these switches. These are for the headlights. It's really hot. Where I got this Billet mirror. It's a really nice mirror. Well, the Cobra is getting there. I still gotta work on the headlights. We're gonna finish this video here because it's really hot. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. I need more subscribers, please, so I can start making a little bit of money on the videos. Thank you very much. This is the illegal garage.